TradingView versus FX Replay, which tool is better for backtesting? Choosing the right backtesting tool can transform how you validate trading strategies without wasting time or missing key insights. We'll explore TradingView and FX Replay side by side. TradingView and FX Replay are powerful platforms for backtesting trading strategies, but they differ in approach. TradingView focuses on integrated charting and scripting, while FX Replay offers detailed replay of historical market action for hands-on strategy testing. TradingView is a web-based charting platform widely used for technical analysis and backtesting. It provides access to a vast range of markets and data through interactive charts. Users can write custom scripts using PineScript to automate strategy testing and generate alerts. The platform excels with its easy-to-use interface and community-shared scripts, making it ideal for traders who want quick strategy validation combined with live market data. However, TradingView's backtesting is limited to historical price data and does not simulate order execution or slippage in detail. It's best suited for traders focused on technical indicators and strategy logic rather than precise trade simulation. FX Replay is a specialized software designed for replaying historical market data with high precision. It allows traders to visually replay past price action tick by tick, simulating real-time trading conditions. This hands-on approach helps users evaluate strategies under realistic market scenarios, including order execution timing. FX Replay's strength lies in its detailed market replay capabilities, which enable traders to practice and refine strategies as if trading live. However, it lacks integrated scripting and advanced charting features found in platforms like TradingView. FX Replay is ideal for traders who want to focus on order execution and trade management in a controlled environment rather than automated backtesting. TradingView and FX Replay serve different backtesting needs. TradingView offers a streamlined, script-based environment perfect for quickly testing technical strategies across multiple assets. It's efficient for traders who rely on indicators and want community support. In contrast, FX Replay provides an immersive replay experience, emphasizing realistic trade execution and timing. This makes it valuable for day traders and scalpers focused on order flow and execution nuances. While TradingView lacks detailed trade simulation, FX Replay does not support advanced scripting or broad market data access. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize strategy automation and charting or hands-on market replay and execution practice. Choose TradingView if you want powerful scripting, broad market access, and fast strategy validation with integrated charts and community resources. Options: Replay if your focus is on mastering trade execution and practicing strategies in a realistic market replay environment. Both tools excel in their domains, so select based on whether you prioritize automated backtesting or detailed live simulation.